Welcome to Moto-Everything. Today we're installing knuckle protectors. Stay tuned. As you guys saw, per the title of the video, we are installing knuckle protectors on our Ducati, and we'll be soon doing the same to the Ninja. Now, here are some universal knuckle protectors that we are going to install in the ends of our Rizoma handlebars, but these are just knuckle protectors that we are going to install on the ends of our handlebars. Here we go, and you can see here the quality. These are universal, by the way, but you can check out the quality. Look how nice that looks. Let me see if I can focus it here. There we go. We can kind of focus it there. If not, we'll just zoom in a tiny bit. This is my computer. This is my thicking center. So check it out. It comes like in two pieces, I believe. So you have a screw that you would put right through there. And I believe it's one of these screws provided here. But this is all lightweight aluminum. And it's great for protecting your front end in case of a crash or a hit. This is pretty much how it goes, and it'll protect your knuckles. So as you can see, that's why they're called like knuckle protectors or handlebar protectors. These are the small little screws. Like I always preach on my videos, I would suggest some Loctite, and then these are the ones that go directly into the bar. Although in this case, we might not be using these, and we might just be using the ones that the Rizoma has, and just installing a longer screw. But we'll see how that goes with the handlebars on the Ducati. So let's go ahead and jump into the garage and show you guys how this is done. Hopefully this transfers to everybody, because every bike is different and everybody's handlebars is different as well. For example, in some handlebars you need this tip here where it actually increases this diameter so it'll stay stuck inside your handlebars, or some handlebars are a lot thicker than others, so you need an extender for the extender. That way it fits and you can just tighten it down. But yeah, we're gonna see all that once we transfer to the motorcycle. Now here in the garage, as you can see, I have the Rizoma handles installed on my bike, and this is for the Ducati Streetfighter. But we're going to remove this end here, and all it takes is I believe this is like a 6mm or a 3 or 9. I can't really tell. Oh, 3/16 Allen, and we should be able to take it out. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to take out both sides. Throttle side is already out. We're going with the clutch side, and all we're going to do is remove this. And sometimes you might need to pull on it while you spin it, because they get a little janky sometimes and they're not really holding on to anything. So you have to pull it out. As you can see, it wasn't really holding on to anything, so we just pulled it out, and there it is. And it comes with a little washer here. It's like a crush washer, you can see there. So make sure you hold on to all your parts. Now here we have the newer style, the protectors. As you can see, this is how it's going to go. As you can see there, it's just to protect our knuckles. But we do need to install this piece here, which is pretty much your supporting piece. Let me try to go out on the shot here. And there goes your supporting piece right here. And you guys know we are going to Loctite. You want to Loctite every part that either vibrates or has some sort of vibration on them. So we're just going to Loctite the screw, and we're going to install it with the same 3/16 Allen tool, you can see there. And then we're going to just pretty much lightly install it, kind of like that. I'm assuming that's how it goes. Again, these things don't come with instructions, so hopefully this video helps you install your own, whether that be a universal brand like this one, or that be a known brand like Rizoma or something else. So I believe it's like personal preference. If you want to go forward on the knuckles, something like that, I don't know, it's up to you. So we're just gonna go with that little pose right there, and probably like give it a little torque. There we go. and it'll look something like this. And there you have it. That's how quick we installed the knuckle guards. And you can see here on the brake side, it covers your knuckle fairly nice, and it protects this front end from any crash. And there you have it. So whoever had installed these Rizoma prior to me, I'm the second owner, installed them with this janky setup of a plug. It's a rubber plug that goes accompanied with these janky nuts and bolts and washers, and it's a crazy setup, but we were not going for that. We were going for a nice clean setup, and as you can see now, we've added that part. Now we have to do the same to the other side. Take out that janky setup, install, move the actual handle farther back a little, so that way it covers this black part, and it looks nice as well. So to me, it looks amazing. It looks flush, it looks clean. So you guys are gonna see shots here afterwards, but this is what it's looking like, and I'm telling you, it looks freaking nice. And there you have it, guys. That's install some knuckle guards or knuckle protectors on your sports bike or your motorcycle. And if you guys found this entertaining and educational, make sure you guys share with your friends. Bring them on over to Moto-Everything, your motorcycle channel for motorcycle everything. I don't even know sometimes what I'm saying, but guys, check it out. It looks freaking nice. It matches that burgundy, the black. It looks freaking amazing. Now we're gonna get some B-roll.